Hello children, I hope you are all doing well and having lots of fun at home. So today I've got another activity for you called Fill the Bottles Up to the Line. So we will only need a few things. So I've got some plastic bottles of different sizes. I've got a bottle of water, a jug and some elastic bands. Okay, so I'm going to take my first bottle and I'm going to put my elastic band around it. You can put it wherever you want. I'm going to put mine right here. And then my second bottle. I think I'm going to put mine up a little bit higher. Just up here. And then I've got a larger bottle. I'm going to put mine right here. Okay, so next we will need to pour our water into our jugs. And we're going to use our jugs for pouring because you see we've got this little pointy bit here at the front. That's going to help us to pour our water into our bottles without spilling it everywhere. Okay, so we're going to grab our first bottle and our jug of water, and I'm going to try and pour it up to where the elastic band is. Now, this is the part where you're going to have to be very careful. So you want to hold your bottle tight and start pouring. And you don't want to get water everywhere, but if you do, that's okay. You can just clean it up. So you pour, 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 and when we're getting close to the line, you have to be really careful. You don't want to go over. And I'm almost there. I filled up my water to my elastic band line. Now it's easier with a smaller bottle. This is a bigger bottle, and my elastic band is up much higher, so it's going to be a bit more tricky. So you have to use really steady hands here, children. Oh, I'm getting closer to the line. Closer, closer. And I've got up to the line. So the trick here, children, is when you get closer to the line, you want to pour just a little bit less water so it doesn't overflow. And got my last bottle of water. There's not quite enough in there. Let me get some more water. This one's a bit trickier because I've got to keep my hand up for much longer. And I've got to keep my hand really steady. And it's still not enough. We need some more water. And it's just about enough. Now I've filled up all my bottles. So now a challenge for you children is I want you to try and see what bottle has the most water in it and what bottle has the least water in it. Now a little clue is the one that's higher and bigger, it might have the most water in it. Okay, I hope you have fun with this little experiment. Bye!